Do you ever feel like your mind just won't stop? You think about the past, replay conversations, worry about the future, and even when nothing is wrong, your mind creates problems. Why do you overthink everything? Gautama Buddha explained this in a very simple way. There's a story. One day, a man came to Buddha and said, "My mind is full of thoughts. I can't stop thinking, and it's making me tired." Buddha listened quietly and then asked him a question. If a man is hit by an arrow, what should he do first? The man replied, he should remove the arrow immediately. Buddha nodded and then said, "But what if he refuses and instead starts asking, 'Who shot the arrow? Why did they shoot it? What kind of arrow is this? Where did it come from?' The man said, then he would suffer more, maybe even die." Buddha looked at him and said, "That is exactly what you are doing. When a problem comes, instead of dealing with it, you keep thinking about it again and again. You add more questions, more fear, more imagination. And that is what creates overthinking." The man went silent because he understood. Overthinking is not caused by the problem. It is caused by your reaction to it. The more you think, the deeper you go. The more you analyze, the more confused you become. Buddha's advice was simple. Don't add a second arrow. Deal with what is real and let go of what is not, because most of your thoughts are not reality. They are just stories your mind keeps repeating. So the next time your mind starts racing, pause, take a breath, and come back to the present moment. Because peace is not found in thinking more. It is found in thinking less. If this made you see your mind differently, subscribe to Insight of Buddha.